A liquid, oil, and water level sensor is an essential tool for monitoring and controlling fluid levels in tanks, containers, or industrial systems. These sensors ensure accuracy, safety, and efficiency in applications ranging from household water tanks to automotive and industrial use. To help you find the right one, here are the 5 best liquid, oil, and water level sensors worth considering. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Earu HWP Liquid Level Sensor. When I first came across this device, I was struck by how it combines a sleek sense of digital precision with an intelligent design philosophy that feels both practical and forward-thinking. This is not just another measurement tool, but a smartly engineered controller that takes data monitoring to a more reliable, versatile, and surprisingly user-friendly level. The core of its design rests on a powerful single-chip system that provides intelligent control, ensuring that the device is not just accurate but adaptive. From the moment you interact with it, you realize it has been designed to handle a wide range of signals and deliver a clear and precise reading every single time. What excites me most is its broad compatibility. It accepts up to 22 different input signals, which instantly makes it a versatile companion across industries and applications. Whether you are working with temperature, humidity, pressure, or liquid levels, this controller steps up with an impressive measuring range from -1,999 to 9,999. That's not just flexibility, that's a near-universal measuring scope that makes the instrument useful in countless scenarios. The fact that its accuracy comes in at 0.3% FS reassures you that it will deliver consistent, dependable results without second-guessing. Another standout feature is the high-brightness LED display paired with a detailed light-column ratio display. The combination makes readings both clear and intuitive, reducing the chances of misinterpretation even in low-light environments. The visual clarity here is simply outstanding, and it turns what could feel like a purely technical device into something more approachable. Alongside that, the menu system makes switching between inputs feel effortless. You do not need endless recalibration or complicated steps. The process is refreshingly straightforward, adding to the sense that this controller is built with practical use in mind. Durability is also on the table. Operating in environments as cold as -20 degrees and as warm as 80 degrees, it shows resilience under tough working conditions. Overload capacity up to 200% FS further extends its safety margin, which is incredibly valuable in industrial environments where conditions can change rapidly. And all this performance comes with an energy-conscious design, keeping power consumption at or below 5 watts, which adds to its efficiency without sacrificing capability. Pros: versatility, accuracy, clear display, reliability. Cons: learning curve, limited comfort. Number 4. Epttech TLC2206 Liquid Level Sensor. The first thing that caught my attention with this device is how seamlessly it blends advanced sensing technology with the convenience of modern wireless connectivity. The Epttech TLC2206 is not just a liquid-level display, it is a complete monitoring system designed to give you confidence and real-time awareness of what is happening inside your tank. Whether you are tracking water, fuel, or oil, this device feels like an indispensable upgrade that takes the guesswork out of managing liquid storage. At its core, the device uses ultrasonic detection, which already sets it apart as a more reliable and maintenance-friendly alternative compared to older float-based or mechanical measurement systems. With the detection range from 10 centimeters up to 300 centimeters, it covers an impressive span that makes it suitable for both smaller household applications and larger industrial storage solutions. The fact that it does not need to physically touch the liquid to detect levels adds another layer of practicality, reducing the chance of corrosion, wear, or contamination. One of the most exciting features here is its wireless capability. With a sensor-to-router transmission distance of up to 30 meters in unobstructed conditions, it offers a reliable connection that makes remote monitoring incredibly convenient. Imagine being able to check the status of your water tank from your smartphone without stepping outside or climbing up ladders. The dedicated mobile app transforms this sensor into a smart home or smart facility tool, making data accessible from anywhere within range. This functionality is especially useful in scenarios where tanks are placed in hard-to-reach areas or exposed outdoor settings. Another detail worth highlighting is its power design. With an input range of 100 to 240 volts AC and an output of 9 volts DC, the device adapts easily across different regions and setups. It is engineered to be flexible and compatible, which makes installation straightforward for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. That accessibility is further enhanced by its CE and WEEE certifications, which provide peace of mind regarding compliance and safety standards. Pros: wireless convenience, accuracy, versatility. Cons: range limits, app dependence. Number 3. Earu Liquid Level Sensor. What instantly stands out about this device is how thoughtfully it has been engineered from the inside out. The Earu Liquid Level display with integral probe and transmitter is not just a level sensor, but a complete solution for measuring and controlling liquid levels across a wide spectrum of environments. It has a sturdy build and a design that feels tailored for reliability, even in the harshest conditions, and this reliability is backed by a combination of clever internal structure and durable materials. At the heart of the sensor is a diffusion silicon chip encapsulated with silicone oil securely housed in stainless steel. This gives the device not only impressive stability, but also long-term resilience against wear. The protective front cap is a particularly smart touch. It shields the diaphragm while still allowing liquid to make smooth contact for accurate readings. You can tell that a lot of thought went into ensuring both sensitivity and durability coexist in this design. Even the wiring and housing are carefully sealed, with a built-in vent pipe that prevents condensation buildup, which is a common issue in many industrial applications. That attention to detail makes it feel like a trustworthy tool built to last. Its measurement range is expansive, stretching from 1 meter all the way up to 200 meters of water depth. This range alone makes it extremely versatile, whether you need to monitor shallow wells or deep reservoirs. The accuracy of 0.5% FS gives confidence that readings will be precise, and its overload protection up to twice the full-scale pressure adds a welcome safeguard against unexpected fluctuations. The fully enclosed circuit with moisture and leakage resistance reinforces the sense of reliability, ensuring performance in demanding conditions. The applications are where this device really shines. From urban water supply systems and sewage treatment facilities to high-rise tanks, mines, and even oceans, the sensor is designed to handle it all. Its adaptability makes it suitable for both municipal infrastructure and industrial projects, while also being reliable enough for smaller-scale uses, like individual wells or oil pools. Knowing it can transition so smoothly between different contexts makes it feel like a truly universal solution. Pros: durability, versatility, accuracy, stability. Cons: weight installation. Number 2. Morayelec ME201R Liquid Level Sensor. What immediately excites me about this device is how it bridges the gap between traditional liquid level monitoring and the world of smart home automation. The Morayelec ME201R is more than a sensor. It is a multifunctional, intelligent monitoring solution that feels perfectly tuned to the demands of modern living. Instead of being limited to a single display or manual check, it integrates effortlessly into connected systems, giving you both precision and convenience right at your fingertips. The ultrasonic technology at its core provides reliable, non-contact detection of water levels, which means no wear and tear, no corrosion, and minimal maintenance, measuring levels from as little as 0.1 meters to as much as 4.0 meters. The range is ideal for common household or residential water tanks. It provides just enough flexibility to cover small indoor tanks, while also managing larger outdoor ones without compromising accuracy. This precision is further reinforced by its ability to function across a broad temperature spectrum, from -20 degrees to 70 degrees Celsius. That makes it not just a tool for temperate climates, but a robust performer in harsher environments as well. Where the ME201R really shines is in its smart connectivity. Seamless integration with the Tuya Smart Life app transforms it from a simple measuring tool into an intelligent home companion. Through the app, you can remotely track levels, set up alerts, and integrate it into broader home automation routines. Imagine being able to see your tank level alongside other smart devices, or even automate water usage schedules based on live data. This flexibility opens up new layers of efficiency and control that traditional monitoring systems simply cannot offer. The built-in LCD display is another thoughtful touch, providing an immediate readout of not only water level but also temperature and time. This makes it multifunctional in daily use, saving you from needing separate devices for basic environmental checks. The combination of digital display with wireless app connectivity creates a balanced experience, catering to both those who prefer direct monitoring and those who embrace full remote control. Pros: smart integration, clear display, multi-tank accuracy. Cons: app reliance. Number 1, and the winner is Ahzad AH-LT10X liquid level sensor. What immediately drew me in with this device is the way it combines rugged practicality with an impressive level of precision and flexibility. The Ahzad AH-LT10X is not just a liquid-level display. It is a complete control box and transmitter system that feels engineered for reliability and efficiency in demanding conditions. From its waterproof construction to its multi-signal compatibility, it radiates a sense of being purpose-built for professional use while still maintaining a design that is straightforward enough for seamless integration into existing setups. At the core of the device is its versatility in handling inputs. Supporting RTD, thermocouple, current, and voltage signals, it proves itself as a universal monitoring hub rather than a single-purpose tool. That adaptability is paired with outputs that include a 4 to 20 milliampere signal, 4 relays, and 485 rupees communication. This makes it an incredibly powerful piece of equipment for both standalone monitoring and system-wide integration, whether in industrial facilities, water plants, or large-scale storage management systems. It is refreshing to see such a strong focus on compatibility and connectivity in one compact unit. The measuring performance is where the AH-LT10X really impresses. With an accuracy of less than or equal to 0.5% fs, it delivers dependable readings across a wide sensor input range of 0 to 500 meters. This broad range means it is capable of monitoring everything from smaller residential tanks to deep industrial reservoirs without compromise. The rapid measuring period of just 0.2 seconds ensures near real-time responsiveness, an essential feature in environments where conditions can shift quickly. Combined with selectable resolution down to 0.001, the system delivers the kind of detail and precision that instills confidence in its results. Durability and reliability are at the heart of its structure. Its waterproof build, along with certifications including CE, FCC, and RoHS, highlight its compliance with both safety and environmental standards. The robust card-in type structure ensures it is not just a delicate piece of technology, but a rugged tool capable of long-term service. Even under varying operating conditions, the device's low power dissipation of under 5 watts ensures efficient operation without unnecessary energy demands. Pros: precision, versatility, reliability, fast response. Cons: setup complexity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.